hand. And these can get stretched, pulled, and sometimes even avulsed or actually pulled out of their sockets in the spinal cord. When there's an injury to the brachial plexus, then the baby is born with what's called a brachial plexus injury or an Erb's palsy, where the arm is immediately noticed to be limp and weak, and if it doesn't recover, the baby is left with a permanent injury that can never move or function their hand or their arm, and this can have lifelong injuries and disabilities to the child. So when we present these kinds of cases to a jury, we have to explain how the anatomy, the abnormalities that the doctor was faced with, and what the doctor did to actually cause the injury to the child. If the jury understands how the injury occurred, they're more likely to understand why it was negligent. Record medical malpractice settlement. A huge malpractice judgment, a multi-million-dollar lawsuit, the largest malpractice judgment in this state's history. The largest medical malpractice award in California history. $21 million. $32.5 million. $43.5 million. $47 million. $416 million. It is the largest malpractice judgment in California history. Beverly Hills attorney Bruce Fagel, one of LA's top malpractice attorneys. Mr. Fagel, or should I call you Dr. Fagel? You are also a physician. Bruce Fagel, who is both a doctor and a lawyer, will represent the Gaddis family in court. Dr. Bruce Fagel, an attorney and medical doctor. Chula family attorney Bruce Fagel is also a medical doctor. Bruce Fagel practiced emergency medicine for 10 years. He then became a lawyer and now specializes in medical malpractice cases. Hi, Dr. Bruce Fagel, attorney and doctor as well, malpractice attorney. Does it smack of malpractice to you? They are now in a subset population that is, by definition, high risk for the development of various types of cancers. In the face of no information other than the fact that this was a 2-year-old child with a cardiac arrest, to turn that child away is absolutely inexcusable. Individuals not directly involved with the medical care and treatment of pain gatherers or responsible for that by law were nonetheless involved in making medical decisions. Put yourself in the position of a family and seeing your son, your relative, drop down, 2 doctors are there. You know there's something wrong with his heart, and the doctors are standing